Grand Rising. Look at this out here. Oh. It is cold. Wakey, wakey.
No.
Wakey, wakey.
I'm so cozy.
I know it's like 6:30 a.m.
So we just woke up.
Wait.
One of us just woke up.
Winter van life.
No, yeah, it's like, what time is it? 6:30 or
6:30.
something? Who cares? But yeah, we just woke up and now we're gonna do things.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. What are we gonna do?
Well, we gotta go to the bathroom first. I mean, that's van life 101.
Okay.
Oh, and that's the thing, guys. Make sure where you park, you gotta park somewhere with the bathroom, right? And that's what we did. We got a Denny's right here. We're gonna probably go into Denny's, use the restroom, start the day right.
Come up there with me. Supposed to be evidence. Life's over. It's really beautiful. It's so icy. Look at the whole window I saw. This is the coldest it's been in LA in like so long.
All right. Waking up in the winter wonderland. It's time to get some breakfast, time to do a little morning routine, get out here and enjoy this beautiful day. Wait, what?
That moment when you unexpectedly get your tax return.
Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah!
Just, and then boom.
Yeah. How many weeks pregnant are you? Look at that belly.
26. It's kind of like sucked in right now because of these pants. They're tight.
Oh, look at that baby.
Ooh.
Look at that baby. Oh.
Not sucked in, compressed.
Morning, baby.
That's a better word. Got support.
Morning sunshine time. It's always the best.
And we used to love free. La da da da. Yeah, yeah. It is also clear, yeah, like the.
All right, so we are so excited. You know, good news with that tax return money. We got a little extra cash. Time for some self-care, self-love. You know, to be 100% on it. Excuse me. To be 100% honest with you guys, you know, it's been pretty stressful times, you know, in our lives lately, especially my life, being in here in LA and just absorbing all this energy of the city life and the rat race and blah blah blah. I don't want to get into the negativity. I'm just saying we are excited to get out and go to this place called Glen Ivy. You know, as you guys know from following the channel, I love hot springs. It's a big thing with minerals and just health and wellness, so I'm all about it. There's a place down here in LA called Glen Ivy, kind of like a mineral, you know, spa hot spring resort that Alison's like always wanted to go to. It's like Friday, you know, date night kind of thing. We're gonna take the whole day, do like a spa day. It's gonna be epic. Go there. Alison's never had like her You know, even her nails done, like just like a mani-pedi. Come on, we gotta treat her to that. We're gonna just have a beautiful day, relax. You know, it's cold, and we were planning to go up to the mountains, but now we're just gonna head to the spa and enjoy this relaxing, beautiful day. So come on. All right, we made it. What do you think?
Sunny.
I know, it's beautiful. It's a sunny day. Excited to be here. Got all the goodies. Couldn't bring the big camera though. You know, there's gonna be people.
I don't want to make people feel uncomfortable.
We don't want to make people feel
filming
uncomfortable.
them in their bathing suits and
Yeah,
stuff.
so we might record a little bit on our phone. We'll see. And we're just gonna go inside and have a good time.
Relax.
Are you kidding me? Look at this place. This place is unreal. I don't know what to do right now. I'm still in my clothes. I gotta get changed. All right. Now we're talking. Yeah. I am so excited. The steam room. It's too steamy in here. You can't really see me. This feels amazing though. Wow. It is just like really hot. Oh, feels so good. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, I just covered myself in mud. This feels amazing. Look at this. Let's go find Alison. Come on out here. Out here, though. Self-care, baby. Treat yourself. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. So sexy.
I know, right? And I can stand too, so it's safe, you know?
It's so nice. Look at this. The dry sauna is my favorite. Just look how beautiful and amazing the dry sauna is. Look at this. It's just so cool and peaceful. It's a great little meditation place. Would love to build a nice wood sauna like this. Let's relax. All right, that was amazing. What'd you think?
So nice. Oh, I'm ready for more, or a nap, and then more.
Yeah, it's really nice because we actually get to come out to the van and chill out and enjoy
Have lunch.
this amazing rolling cabin on wheels that we call a van. And it's crazy because, you know, they spend a lot of, it's just a lot of fancy food in there, you know, there's a lot of crazy stuff, but we get to make our own food right here in the van and then go right back in and for more. Cheers, everybody. Electrolytes.
Look at that though.
Seriously.
Look at those colors, seriously. My brain feels so good when we eat food like this. Like, so good. You know it's good when you're like picking the last bits of salad out of the bowl. Yum.
Spot. You got my shoes back there?
I'm trying to find them.
Alright, it's time to say goodnight. We found a beautiful camping spot. We are tired and it has been an amazing day and I am just so relaxed.
There's nothing like hot springs to relax you before bed. It's perfect.
It's like the best.
Here's your shoes.
Look. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys, and we'll check you later.